Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys a laundry room clean and reorganized. And today I actually was going to get a load of clothes in, but I decided to come in here and also get this place cleaned up. I've been meaning to do it for a while now, and being that it's the new year, what better time to start than now? And before I started recording, I actually had to get the clothes hanger and this organizer over here readjusted, so I screwed those things in, and now I'm going to just get the washing machine and everything wiped down, and also the shelves taken care of. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4, and on my channel I bring you guys things on home, lifestyle, and motherhood, which includes cleaning, vlogs, decor, just my day-to-day on getting things done, and how I handle taking care of my home and my family and being a wife and a mom. And if that's something that you guys think you're interested in, I definitely love for you guys to subscribe and stick around. So this laundry room is an area that I DIY'd myself, I think early last year. I can leave the link for it up in the cards if you guys want to see how I made it over. Basically, it was a blank space, very bland and boring, and I just wanted something that I could appreciate and love walking into, especially laundry is something that has to get done. So I just wanted a space that I felt comfortable about and just could appreciate a little bit more. And again, it doesn't have to be anything fancy when you're doing your updates in your home. Just make it a space that you can appreciate and enjoy, especially if it's an area that you have to, work in. Okay, you guys, sorry about the noise. Mason's out there playing video games, but I wanted to talk to you guys really quick. I have a little hack that I want to do with the garbage bags, but I haven't been able to get to the store. I have been a little under the weather still, but I definitely want to get this done. So I'm going to just use this basket. I took this out of my bathroom. I had towels in it, and I'm going to just put the hand gloves in here, and then also the garbage bags in here for now. And when I get the little thing that I want to do for the hack that I saw on Pinterest, hopefully it works for me, then I'll share that with you guys on how to change that up.
I do about anyone but you. If I were to lose you now, I don't know what I might do. You're in all of my dreams, whether I'm awake or I'm asleep. My love ain't going anywhere, babe, I'm in this way too deep. It takes courage to admit the truth. I've been waiting forever. Didn't dream before, but now I do. Yeah, I can't when we're together. You give me feelings I never felt before. Now I lost my mind, waiting for you to make up your say, but I can't help it. I wanna be with you all the time. You give me.
Okay guys, so I finally found my labels that I had ordered a while ago, and I ordered these from Castleberry Hill Sticker Studio off of Etsy. I've ordered from her a couple times. She has really good products. Sorry about the noise again. And I'm finally going to add the all-purpose cleaner onto the bottle here. This is how it comes right here. And then she also gave me one for dryer sheets, but I think what I'm gonna do, I might change out these jars over here to the ones that have the wooden lid. So sometimes the dryer goes and you hear it rattling, so to get rid of that rattling noise, I think I'm gonna just get the ones with the wood cover, the wood lid, so it doesn't do that. But yeah, this is how the all-purpose sticker looks, and you can get them in different sizes. And I'm gonna just go ahead and add it onto the bottle here, and then add in my all-purpose cleaner. And I know you guys probably noticed that this detergent sign is a little crooked. That's the first one I ever did, and I just didn't feel like taking it off and redoing it, so we're gonna leave it at that. Again, kids in the background, sorry about all the noise, but let me go ahead and get this taken care of so I can get these clothes in the washing machine. And I actually already cleaned out the washing machine last night. I put up some all-purpose cleaner and just did a quick clean out of the bin. Usually I use vinegar, or you can even use baking soda to throw in there to clean out your drum. And just make sure you're pulling out your detergent holder and getting all the gook and stuff out of there as well. Or you can even pour the vinegar in there and let it go through the cleaning cycle, and that'll help keep it clean and from getting nasty as well. So all I have to do is just wipe down the outside of the washing machine and the outside of the dryer and stuff, and then I'm done. And then I'm just gonna sweep up really quick and wipe off the floor while the clothes are inside of the dryer.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep, I long for insomnia. They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I chew, I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel.
So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you're still watching, definitely leave a room emoji down in the comment box below. And those picture frames I have up there, if you can tell what they are, it's actually for my gallery wall up front. I have to order some new frames because I wanted to make over or change out a couple of the frames to do the wall over. So that's coming soon, further probably in the next few months or so. I'm not sure yet when I'm going to do that. I'm taking my time trying to figure out what I want to do. And my next video actually is going to be a extreme declutter of clothes and just getting everybody's closets together, or start working on that. It's definitely going to be more than just one video, so look out for that. And again, we're getting ready to come to the end of the video, so definitely make sure you stick around to see how everything turns out at the end. And I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night. All in or nothing, not gonna stop. Dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. At me like I know what